Did you know that AI-generated videos with talking avatars are taking over YouTube right now? Imagine creating content that doesn't just capture attention, it keeps viewer hooked from the first second. And here is a secret, Clipwise is the only tool that get it right. Every time, no more struggling with complicated software, just pure creativity powered by AI. Stick around to find out how you can create videos that go viral. When we type Clipwise.ai, we will land in this homepage and we can see there are many examples for you to explore and we have many use cases as well. Basically, all we need to do is put our idea and select our style and done. After that, just upload the video to your platform and wait it to go viral. You can use a different style like realistic or cartoon, anything you name it. Well, I think this is quite simple and really easy for us to do. If your target market is global, you can generate different languages for different markets, and you have more than 35 avatars for you to choose. Of course, we cannot live with music, right? So Clipwise also provided with the copyright-free music and overlays to add more atmosphere, save more time, get more efficiency, and easy to use. What we're waiting for? Let's try it out. You don't need to pay any money to start the trial, so just use a Google account to sign in, or you can use the email address. After that, we are landing the dashboard of the Clipwise, where we can create our story. So here we have some example, maybe get a little bit inspiration, and you can click the play button to view it.
Want to keep your nails healthy and strong?
Not get enough? Click the view all. There are many stories waiting for you to discover. After that, let's create our very own story. First, let's select the language. I think I'm gonna use English. And for the length of our story, I'm gonna stick with 45 seconds. And for the pace, I choose the regular pace. And here is where we type our video prompt. Let me go back to ChatGPT and write a story. Okay, we just generate a story based on Sun Wukong, the Monkey King, and copy all the text to the prompt. For the visual theme, we can click the view all. I'm gonna go with this style, very comic. Oh, I guess that's all. All we need to do is click this purple button to generate our video. Let's click. Okay, we are in the narration settings, so we need to pick up the narrator from the list. Let's click the play button.
Once upon a time, an 11 Labs content creator decided to use accredited
the people who are crazy.
This is a very famous.
I think I'm gonna go with Packer, and we are able to select one of the avatar. If you don't want any avatar to be displayed in your video, you can click here, no video avatar. But if you want to present with the avatar, you can click one of the avatar and scroll down. Oh my god, we have our script review. So basically, they are just different clips from our video. We can modify it or reorder. See, quite easy. And I think that's all. Let's click the next. So I guess this is a suggestion from the Clipwise. Click the play button. Yeah, that fits. So I'm gonna go with this one. But if you wanna visit more, you can click the view all. And we have a lot of the background music for you to choose. And you can tweak the value of the music.
Deep in China's mountains,
and also
a magical
reduce
stone
beat.
cracked open. Deep in China's mountains, revealing Sun
And the
Wukong,
transition
born from
sound.
the universe's essence, the legendary Monkey King.
And we can add the brand settings as well. So click here, upload your logo. And for the caption settings, and we can change the captions font. There are so many fonts. And also the active captions color. And we can choose one of style from the 7. I think this one just fits. And we have a video overlay. So for example, like the digital world.
Deep in China's mountains.
Yeah, I think the light particles just fit. And click the next. Well, the final step, I guess, is waiting for the final result. Wow, finally we have our result. Let's click the play button.
Long ago in a hidden mountain in China, a magical stone cracked open, revealing Sun Wukong, the Monkey King, born from the universe's essence. Gifted with immense strength and skills, Wukong rapidly mastered martial arts, showcasing his extraordinary abilities across the wild landscapes. Desiring immortality, Wukong sought the Jade Emperor, only to be insulted as keeper of the horses, igniting a furious rebellion. Wukong unleashed his rage, battling celestial beings, shaking the heavens as he sought to erase his name from the Book of Life. But the Buddha, wise and calm, contained Wukong under a mountain, teaching him the cost of pride and the weight of arrogance. Freed by the monk, Wukong transformed into a protector, learning that true strength lies in self-mastery, not domination. His journey led to enlightenment.
After that, just upload to the TikTok or YouTube, anywhere you want. And also you can click the edit button. So if you missed out something, you can go back and edit and publish again. I never thought it could be so easy. This time, let's try different language. For example, I think I'm going with French. And let's click the 60 second and change the pace. Wow, I just write a story with ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT write a story about a turtle and a rabbit. In the modern world, they compete again. So I gotta say the story looks sharp, and let's copy all the content and paste here. Now let's try something fun. I want to try 3D pixel art, and let's create a generate. This time I'm gonna use this lady.
Le véritable voyage de découverte consiste
And I will leave the avatar empty and scroll down. So if you don't want this kind of the style, you can always click the regenerate and our story will be changed. I gotta say this even much better than the last one. I have a good feeling about this story. And click the next.
Il était une fois à Zoomville un lapin confiant nommé Roquette.
And this time, let's click one by one. Well, indeed, this is better. So,
Il était une fois à Zoomville un lapin. Il était
okay, and I don't want brand
Il
settings
était une
this
fois à
time.
Zoomville.
And I want this jumping caption.
Il était
I think that's
à
all.
côté, Turbo,
And click
une
the
tortue
next.
déterminée.
Well, we have our results. Let's click the play button.
Il était une fois à Zoomville un lapin nommé Roquette, le livreur le plus rapide, et une tortue appelée Turbo, son rival méthodique. Lors d'un feu rouge, Roquette se moque de Turbo. Comment fais-tu pour livrer avec ta tortue? Turbo sourit. Lent mais sûr, mon ami. Paris fait, de downtown au centre commercial. Celui qui arrive en premier remporte la bragging rights. Turbo acquiesce. La course commence, Roquette part comme une flèche, Turbo reste zen. Chacun a son approche, vitesse contre prudence. Mais Roquette, trop pressé, a oublié de charger sa trottinette. Turbo, calme, aide une vieille dame et continue. Arrivé à bout de souffle, Roquette sourit. Tu avais raison, Turbo. Ce n'est pas que vitesse, mais exécuter le travail correctement.
Is any investor among my audience? Please invest in my next big movie. Okay, we can click the download button, of course. And I think you will see this video in my platform. I think this video is the best quality I ever seen, right? Let's talk about the price of the Clipwise. Well, you can get 60% off there on big sale. Also, you can purchase by monthly or by yearly. There are some different between each plan. For example, we have starter plan, creator plan, and business plan. Each of the plans have a slightly different. For example, like the pricing and the standard video per month, also for the premium video per month. But for the priority generation and the priority support within 1 hour, general commercial terms, they are all the same. So you can choose whatever you like. But I really recommend the creator plan by yearly. I think it's quite economic. Also, they got 7 months free with the annual plan. So check it out by yourself and make a decision wisely. Now this time, let's write a story. This time I'm writing a story, teach children how to make friends, and copy all the content from here, paste here, maybe still use English, 60 seconds, accurate. Oh, FYI, you don't need to write the prompt, maybe you can just use a link, or you can directly click those buttons and you get a random story. This time, let's select this children's book and click the generate. Select one of the voice that you like.
Once upon a time, an 11 Labs content creator
Okay, what kind of voice that the children would like? I like the voice of this Hope character. And basically, I think that's all, maybe. And we are able to move on. And this time, let's try this regenerate button. So we have some parameters we can tweak. For example, like the tone. We want a humorous or casual. I think inspirational. Content style, I'm gonna choose the storytelling. For the audience focus, I'm thinking about the beginner friendly. Click the regenerate. Okay, I think we are all set and click the next. Alright, I think it's quite cute. I think children will love it. And we can change the background music, but I think AI always pick up the one that really suit for the topic. And nothing there for me to change. And we click the next. Okay, we can download this video.
One sunny day, Mrs. Rose announces a special project. We're creating a friendship garden, but you'll need a partner. Max feels anxious. Max's heart races. What if no one wants to partner with me? Mrs. Rose notices and reassures him. You'll find a friend, just be open. Suddenly, Lily walks over. Hi, Max. I don't have a partner. Want to plant a flower together? Max blinks, surprised but intrigued. They choose a sunflower seed. They grow tall if cared for, says Lily. Max grins. Let's make it the best sunflower ever. Days pass. They water their sunflower and share stories. Max learns friendship blooms from kindness. Laughter fills the garden, their bond deepens. Max beams. We did it, Lily! A beautiful flower in friendship. She replies, friendship grows like a garden. Let's keep planting more together.
And of course, if you miss out something, you can click the edit video and come back, generate again. So in total, we generated 3 sensational short videos, and I believe they have the potential to go viral. So what you waiting for? Just give Clipwise a try and you won't be regret. Congratulations, you finished this episode. And don't forget to subscribe us and please click the like button. Also leave all your questions inside of our comment zone. I will see you on the next episode. Bye bye.